Sheets are just our way of defining a group of picks. You can create as many sheets as you want and give them each their own brand. First, click on the Picks tab. Now, you will see all games available to choose from on that day. You can sort them by league and time period. Let's choose baseball. Today. Now, select the team you like either to win the game outright, to cover the spread, or for the total score to go over or under the number listed. Each star is worth 100 points, so the more confident you are in your prediction, the more stars you should give it. Now, for today, I like the Boston Red Sox to beat the Tampa Bay Rays by more than 1.5 points. So I'm going to click here. And I am very confident in that, so I'm going to give it 5 stars. I also think that both teams won't score much, so I'll pick under the 9.5 total. I'm not as confident in this pick, so I'll give it 3 stars. I'm done picking for now, so I'll scroll down and click on Create Sheet. Now, I can either name my sheet and give a description for my picks, or just leave everything blank. For now, I'm going to leave everything blank, so I'll check the Terms of Use box and click on Create. I now have my sheet, and I can see all the sheets that I have created. Well, now I'm wishing I did change the name, photo, and description of my sheet, so let's go back and do that. All I have to do is click on the name of the sheet that I just created, click on Edit to add my photo, click directly on the title to change my sheet name, and click on the description section to add my description. If I want to change my mind about a pick, I can click this X to remove it from my sheet, up until 30 minutes until game time. By rolling over the X, I can see how much time I have to change the pick. Now that I'm happy with my picks and my newly created sheet, I'm ready to enter it into a contest.